Hey guys, so welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Tw3. And as I always say, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this amazing channel, then you are really missing out. Kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars, we have Funny Face opens fresh fire on baby mama Vanessa, insults her mercilessly in a new video. Yeah, so Ghanaian comic actor Funny Face has once again rained insults on his baby mama Vanessa after he went out messing on social media for a very long time. Yeah, so the actor and producer published this new video on his Instagram page where he's seen making an incoherent narrative about how some Kaswa boys beat him up. Yeah, so according to him, there are two groups in Kaswa, Walantu boys and High Tension boys, adding that he loves these two groups. Funny Face disclosed that he went to chase a girl at Walantu side and they slapped him mercilessly. According to him, Vanessa was the cause of what happened and ended the video by saying that Vanessa, Maame, Tw3. Watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Yeah, you know what it do is make a sub Van Dam, Charlie. I lose fights. 1 and 2 and High Tension. If you live in Kaswa, this is a listen. Kaswa is the next biggest place to ever happen in Ghana. Kaswa. Through God's help, I made Kaswa. Kaswa Van Dam, do you know what I mean? But yesterday, I lost a fight. I lost a fight in 1 and 2. You know, 1 and 2 boys and High Tension. Everybody who is in Kaswa knows this beef. 1 and 2 boys and High Tension boys, they know they agree. I mean, my boys be High Tension boys. 1 and 2 boys be my boys. Me are there everywhere. But the mistake I do is say the girl I go chase, the day 1 and 2, the way they slap me yesterday. And as I lose another fight for Millennium City Junction. My mother, the Millennium City Police Station. Right now, my mother is at Millennium City Police Station. Yeah, I gave 21 gang. I gave 21 gun salute. I mean, now told me. Someone say about them, you bet you about them. Who calls like that in Namuko Bisakwalebu? Your records were your bottom. About them. I want no bomb. I know me lose. Hey, tell I tell you, boy. Hey, 1 and 2 boys. If you're there for me, you Kaswa. Why they beating me? I lose fight yesterday. My mother cut it. Vanessa. I come by your mama, but happy birthday. Hey, happy new year. I told me, Vanessa, you caused this. And get ready. Mommy, get